jigsaws are mainly used for cutting metal and wood. Here is a typical multifunctional jigsaw that we're about to demonstrate to you. In the tool case, they'll come with an instruction manual, a rib fence, and 2 sets of thick curved jigsaw blades. With the red enclosure, the device is installed on the metal base. And these jigsaw blades are designed for different use, with 5 of them used for cutting wood and another 5 for cutting metal. You can adjust the level of cutting power by moving backwards or forwards this switch. Now let's see how to install a thick curved jigsaw blade for cutting wood. Keep in mind that the sharp edge of the saw blade should face outward. And now we are going to plug in the device and try to cut a piece of wood with it. The wood was cut off smoothly by the jigsaw. And as you can see clearly, we get an even cut surface. A variety of jigsaws are available, and inquiries are welcome by visiting